Listen to the wind, the echoes come creeping and crawling. This time of year it's not hard to hear the cattle bawling. Windswept prairie sends the same old song down to us each morning. Magpies are moving in, they take heed to shots and fair warnings. Goosenecks on the hitch, load 'em boys, roll 'em now, we're hauling. Listen to that hammer hit, the anvil ring, the old forge fire is calling. Pay mind to those who hear it best. These are the true sounds of the West. Underneath that mountain sky, coyotes call, and coyotes cry and longing. The best sound is a silence heard just before the brand new day is dawning. And it's an old gate chain, the riding shotgun, your opening and your closing. And I think it must be fate, 'cause you can't help but feel just like you're chosen. Pay mind to those who hear it best. These are the true sounds of the West. It's an old cowboy singing, a gentle song, the first verse ringing. Oh, when you heard the song,